Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can lock specific layers of your diagrams and presentations on Lucidchart in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So guys, navigate to your document on Lucidchart and here in the bottom left corner select the page you would like to go with. What you want to do next is access the layer menu. And here you will see the page you have just selected. And here above you will see a list of layers that are listed inside the given page, and you can assign specific elements or items on your canvas here to the layer, like for instance only specific shapes or text boxes, images. And let's assume you have assigned a number of items to that layer. If that's the case, you will see the layer here. You can add also a new layer by clicking into this button now. To lock this layer, click into this lock button next to it, and that is going to lock also all elements that have been assigned to that layer, so you won't be able to edit these, to move these. To unlock the layer, click into this button. That's it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.